What's up guys, it's your girl the Daily Miz aka Anam. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So in today's video I will be doing a quick 5-minute on the go makeup look. It is back to school season. Some people are going back to their campus. Other people are still going to be at home and doing their classes online. Some people are going back to their office for work. Other people are online. You know, the season is changing. We're kind of in the mood to change up our makeup routine. So I decided to make a video where you can do a very easy makeup look. It's not too complicated. The steps are very easy. You can do it super quick, and there's a lot of optional things that I put in here as well if you wanted to add it to your look. I'm supposed to be somewhere and I always end up doing my makeup last minute, so I need something that's very quick. So because I'm going to be explaining everything on the process, this video is definitely going to be a bit longer than 5 minutes. And like I mentioned before, I did add some optional things to this look just to kind of show you guys a variety of things that you can do to your own go-to look. You know, also just keep in mind that every woman is beautiful, every man is beautiful. Obviously you don't need makeup to show that about yourself. Makeup is just like a fun way to kind of enhance the beauty that you already have. So if this is something that you are interested in, keep watching. First things first, I'm just gonna go ahead and moisturize my face. Moisturization is key to any kind of makeup look or even your skincare routine. I like to bring down my moisturizer to my neck. The product that I'm going to be using for the base of my face is by L'Oreal Paris. It is called the True Match Lumi Glotion. It looks like this. It's just like a little bottle. And this is in the color 903 Medium Glow. This is one of my favorite products for any go-to makeup looks, any easy 5-minute back to school, or you know, you're just jumping out of bed and you have like a Zoom meeting for work. This is my go-to when I don't really want to wear foundation or put a lot of effort in. This is very similar to, I would say, like a CC cream, but it is definitely more heavy on the moisturizer side. The name is Glotion, so you can kind of think of it as a glow lotion. This is a natural glow enhancer. This product is more like a base for your face to hydrate and illuminize your skin. So how I apply this is I just take a little bit on my fingers, or you could put it on the back of your hands, whatever you choose. And I like to just go ahead and dot this into my skin. I just kind of put it all over my face. Then I just use my hands and I just start blending it in. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put a second layer on my face. Some days I only go with one layer, other days I like to put another one just on top in case I feel like I still have some blemishes that are a little bit more sensitive or harsh, and so I just want to cover them up a little bit more. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little bit. So one thing that's really great about this product is that it's buildable. So if you want super light coverage, you just need to put on a little bit. If you want something a little bit heavier, then you can go ahead and add more and just keep blending until you get the look that you want. And again, I just kind of blended whatever product I have left on my fingers, and I'm just working it into my neck. So now we're gonna move on to concealer. The concealer that I'm using today is by Too Faced. It's their Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer, and this is in the shade Golden right over here. And I'm just gonna go ahead and work that into my skin. It comes out like this in a bottle form. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put some on my under eyes. Method with concealing my face was I'm trying to cover up my dark circles, and then the rest of my face I'm putting on a little bit of concealer in areas where I feel like I have some redness, I have some discoloration, any acne marks, any just blemishes that I want to cover. I'm going to be using a small powder brush like this, and I'm just going to go ahead and blend in all of the concealer. As you can see, this concealer is really nice because it blends into your skin super smoothly. And the other reason why I love this is because it's a multi-use. So you can use it to conceal your face, you can use it to retouch your face, highlight, you can contour with it. If you wanted to buy this in a light shade to conceal your under eyes and highlight your face, you can also buy a darker shade to contour. And the other thing too is that they have a lot of shades for this, so you can find something that matches your natural skin tone. So if you don't want to wear foundation and you want to go out but you just want to maybe cover up any blemishes on your face, you can go ahead and just do that with this, and then you would be all set. So you can see that this concealer is really nice. I'm not even putting that much effort in with blending, and it's just blending in smoothly and very nicely. A lot of people ask me about my makeup brushes because I don't really talk about them in detail. So I did decide that I am going to make a video in the future, somewhat in the future, that I talk about all the makeup brushes that I have and basically what they're called and what they're used for, in case you guys want to get similar ones for yourself. This one that I'm using, it's actually a powder brush, but it's like a mini version. It actually even says it on here. Mini mineral powder. This is a very small, it's like a rounded top brush. The bristles are super soft, and I believe I got this from Sephora. Originally I got it because I wanted to use it for baking, just to get like right in my inner corners, but now I ended up using it for concealer because I really like how it just helps blend everything into my face. So now I'm gonna go ahead and contour my face just to kind of give a bit more definition, and I'm only gonna use bronzer for this look. The bronzer that I'm gonna be using for this video is the Physician Formula's Butter Bronzer right over here, and this is in the shade Deep Bronzer. I've always used like the Chocolate Soleil by Too Faced. That was like one of my favorite bronzers of all time, but it is more on the expensive side. I discovered this watching other makeup YouTubers, and I wanted to give it a try, and I really love it. This is a drugstore brand, so it's very affordable and the quality is amazing. It looks so good on your face, and on top of that, it smells amazing. Like, it literally smells like cookies. It's so good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take my brush. I'm gonna put it in here, dab off any of the excess product, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start sculpting up my cheeks. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and bring it down to my neck. So what I'm gonna do to give my eyes a bit more definition is I'm gonna go in with the same bronzer that I just used on my face, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put that in my lids. So I'm just gonna take a brush like this, and I'm just gonna go in to the bronzer, just scoop up a little bit on my brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead, just taking the bronzer, and I'm just working it into my lids. I'm just gonna go ahead and put some on my under eyes as well. So this part is optional in case if people wanted to do this part. Because I put the L'Oreal Lumi Glotion on my face, you can probably already tell, like with the light hitting my face, like my face has like pretty good highlight going just naturally. However, if you don't have this product and you use some other base, or you do have this but you still want some highlight, I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little bit of highlight. So the highlight that I'm gonna be using is by Wet n Wild. This is their MegaGlo highlighting powder. This is in the color Blossom Glow. I'm actually just gonna go ahead and put some on my fingers, and I'm just gonna start dabbing it in on my cheekbones. I'm gonna put a little bit above my eyebrows, right by my brow bone. I'm gonna put a little bit in my inner corners just to kind of wake up my eyes a little bit. We're gonna go ahead and put some mascara on. This part of it is optional. I do this because I have really short eyelashes, so I like to use this product. You don't have to do that if you don't want to, but I'm gonna first go ahead and put some lash primer on. So the lash primer that I'm gonna be using today is by L'Oreal Paris. It is their Voluminous Paradise base. Now they decided to cooperate. Mascara that I'm going to be using today is the Voluminous Original. This is also by L'Oreal Paris. And I'm just going to go ahead and put that on top of my primer. So the very last step to this look is lipstick. I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Demi Matte Lipstick. This is in the color Sheikah. It's more of like a pinky nude color, and this is a cream-based lipstick. Some days where I like to just wear lip gloss, other days I just like to wear chapstick, but I just wanted to show you what it would look like if you put actual lipstick on. I kind of felt like I wanted a little bit of color today, so I went ahead and put this one on. So guys, this is the final look. I think this turned out pretty good. I will go ahead and list all the products that I used in this video, and I will have a link in my description in case you liked any of them and you want to go ahead and buy them for yourselves. I ended up leaving my eyebrows out. This is also optional if you want to go ahead and add the eyebrows to your 5-minute makeup look in the morning. You can go ahead and do that. I kind of don't. Like when I'm like on the go, I just kind of leave my eyebrows natural. I don't really mind filling them in, but everything else, I think it came out really nice. We have a very nice natural glowy look. Please make sure you go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you guys really like videos like this and you have suggestions of things that you would like me to try, make sure you go ahead and comment that down below, and I will see you guys on the next tutorial. Bye!